Hi future teachers and students. Today, I will teach you on how you can edit your videos and presentations on POWTOON.com. But before that, let us first know what is POWTOON. POWTOON is a web-based animation software that allows users to create animated presentations by manipulating pre-created objects, imported images, provided music, and user-created voiceovers. To use POWTOON, you need to first log in to one of your accounts, either Facebook or Google. After logging in to POWTOON, you will reach the My POWTOON page. This is the page to access when you want to create a new POWTOON. You can create a new POWTOON using either of the following methods. One is use a ready-made template, or two, start with a scratch with a blank POWTOON. A ready-made template or in edit mode allows you to quickly and easily use POWTOON. When you use a template, the POWTOON Studio opens by default. In edit mode, this mode provides you with all the functionality you need to quickly turn a template into a unique POWTOON. See creating a POWTOON in edit mode to learn how to work with a template. While on the other hand, starting with a blank POWTOON or create mode allows you to start from scratch. The POWTOON Studio then opens by default in creating mode. This mode provides you with access to all POWTOON tabs, scenes, backgrounds, text, characters, etc. and displays the timeline at the bottom of the slide. In this mode, you can one is that create a POWTOON by selecting content from any of the POWTOON tabs and libraries. And number two, control the timing of the objects on the slide by using the timeline. However, there are two important notes to consider in order to effectively and efficiently use your POWTOON. First is that when creating your POWTOON, you can switch between edit and create mode simultaneously. While the second one is once you create your POWTOON, it will be opened in the studio according to the last mode in which it was saved. For example, if you begin working in edit mode and then switch to create mode before saving your POWTOON will subsequently be opened in create mode. That's it for today's video. Till next time, bye!